Okay, we have a half of yellow onion here that we need to chop finely for this to put into the sauce. So here's how we do it. Just cut down, leave the root end on. Again, this will hold it intact. And make these pretty thin as you go through. If you wanted a larger dice, of course, you could just go across like this, but we want to have a nice fine dice. So just continue on across like that. And then you go crossways. I like to make about 3 across here if we want this nice fine dice. Just kind of hold it together to the root end. It's like that, and then you just cut across. And see you have a nice fine dice there that we're going to saute.